Hello, this is Custom PC, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the memory and the hard drive of a laptop. So this is my laptop. This is just a sort of model just to do videos on. It's just a simple, it's quite fairly old Toshiba laptop. So at the moment there's no memory in there. I'm going to put some in. I'm going to show you how to do that, and I'll do the hard drive afterwards. So on the laptop you have that part there is where the memory goes, and this part here is where the hard drive goes. They do vary in position on different laptops, but you know they're sort of fairly generic where they are, and it'll be fairly obvious. You can, if you're not sure, open everything, because there's normally 3 compartments on a laptop, and you're not going to damage anything as long as you don't move anything in any of them unless you're sure. So this is what a piece of memory looks like. I've got 2 pieces so I can show you why I'm putting it in, where you sort of have to put it in. So you have this slit here, which is sort of where you have just one way of putting it in into the sort of slot, and then you have these sort of indents which also keep the memory held in nicely. So what you want to do is, in here you have 2 slots, and you might as well put it on the top if you've only got 1 piece. If you've got 2, you can start from the bottom and work your way up on putting them in. So what you have to do is you sort of put it at an angle first, and then it just sort of slots in. There we go. It sometimes feels like it's not going to go in, but it always does. So, hang on a minute. There we go. So there it is. Just the prongs there have sort of been securely connected. So all you have to do is now is just screw it back on this cover. The memory compartment tends to normally have vents on it, which makes it stand out from the rest of the sort of compartments. And the hard drive one now, again we're just unscrewing that. There we go. So it's just again just 2 screws. And here's the hard drive here. Now what you have to do is I don't know if you can see, but there's a sort of screw just there, which you have to unscrew to take the hard drive out. Sometimes this screw sometimes proves difficult to put back in, but I've got a magnetic screwdriver which makes it easy. Oh, about the screwdriver actually, it's just it's a small, very small screwdriver. So yeah, it's fairly standard. You can buy kits for doing this sort of thing with screwdrivers in, but you should have one like that. So here's the hard drive. You have this heat sink over the top, which is sort of sticky slightly, not sure why. And then here's the hard drive. You have these connectors along here. And they're all standard size, they're all this size, a lot smaller than a desktop hard drive. So yeah, again, if I was just doing, I'm going to use this one, but if I was going to install another one, it should be simply slide that in. There we go, and then you just put the screw back in. And there we go. So you put the screw back in and put that on back on top, and there you go. That's how you change the memory and hard drive of a laptop. If you have any questions about the video, or you have any requests on sort of computer related videos, software or hardware, please ask and subscribe, because this channel's new, and we're hoping to make lots of videos on helping you get your custom PC. Thanks for watching.